Don't be shy, man.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, what is it that got you to UK?
I have so many expectations to come here because my family background is
Class.
middle class. Yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Piyush. I'm from India.
Yeah, we can share one by one.
My name is Abhirana. I'm from Chandigarh.
Hi, my name is Vivek. I am UK with so many expectations. My expectation is go down.
Hi, my name is Manan.
My name is Aryan Patel.
But there is a very difference in the dreams and in the reality.
क्या प्रॉमिस किया गया था आपको और कैसा लगा नया यहाँ पर क्या डिफरेंट लगा?
There are a lot of jobs for the full-timers. Very difficult in finding part-time.
What kind of a full-time job are you looking for? It's a modern university, of course, right in the center. And what is the typical cost of living? And I think आप just छुपे हुए हो, just so you would like to.
इसके पास sponsorship है इधर की.
So my name is Diksha Patel. I am from Gujarat. Come here. You need good communication
इसके पास
skills.
already sponsorship भी है.
She has.
You can say that.
If you are looking to study abroad, then watch this full video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
So hey guys, how are you all doing? We are here in London and we are on our way to the BPP University. We are going to try and check out their Shepherd's Bush campus. This is next to their one of the biggest malls here, Westfield Mall. We're going to try to see if we can get inside and check out what's this university all about. So let's go. So here we are inside the BPP University. We're going to see here, this is the big BPP logo, and we are going to be trying to see if we can meet some people. Hi, how are you? Hi, I'm Piyush. I'm from India, from this company Admit Card. We are here to know a little bit more about the BPP University. Are you a student here?
Yeah.
And where are you from?
Yeah. India.
You are from India as well. Would you mind giving us 5 minutes to just take your feedback and understand how you are finding BPP? Can I get you a mic?
No.
You know?
It's okay. No problem. The another person you will.
You mind if you are recording it?
It's okay.
We are having a YouTube channel, so we will just put your review as a student of BPP.
Yeah.
So, where are you from?
Namak.
Namakkal. And what's your name, please?
OV Pri.
Ovi Priya. Oh, nice to meet you. And what are you studying here?
MSc Healthcare Leadership.
MSc Healthcare Leadership. What did you study in India?
MSc Nursing.
So, you are here for their healthcare program.
Yeah.
So, when did you come? How long back did you come here?
9 months.
Are you working part-time right now?
20 hours I part-time.
What kind of part-time job?
Care worker.
Because you are in healthcare, so in London?
Yeah, in London.
And how are you finding it?
And the MediPro company I find.
And you are enjoying it?
Yeah.
What do you see your chances of getting full-time job after this? What kind of a full-time job are you looking for?
The after study that.
So after study, you will look at the PSW option, and then basis that then that's the time when you will start. So you will graduate in how much time?
January.
In January intake. So, but great, Avipya, thank you for, we just came in, we bumped into you. Thank you for giving us some of your time. I don't want to stop you, but best of luck for your future. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So here we are, guys. Here is the BPP campus. It is the back end. This is where all the students hang out, and that's the reception. So let's go and see. So this is the area where most of the students hang out. They sit and discuss. This is a common area, and this is where the classes are happening. It's a modern university, of course, right in the center of London, and there are 5 campuses that they have. We are going to try and meet and talk to a few more students here and get their feedback if they are happy and what kind of programs they're doing and how are they learning and what is their future. So let's try to see if we can capture more students and look at that. Hi. Actually, I represent a company and we help students to come here to UK. Yes. So I wanted to kind of understand, how we can help a lot of students coming here from India.
Yes, yeah. India, Pakistan, Nepal.
So here we were trying to get inside the university, but we could not. But I think we needed permission. But I guess we are having a lot of students out here waiting. So we're going to try and ask some of them if they would like to share part of their journey. Hi guys. Hi. My name is Piyush. I'm from India. You're also from India. Very good. Hi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys. I run this company called Admit Card, and I also have a YouTube channel by the name of Study Abroad with Piyush. And what I do is I travel across multiple countries, and now I'm in UK. This is my second year, and I go around campuses meeting students, taking their feedback. Understanding अच्छा लग रहा है. How are you finding the studies, part-time, what is the opportunity for full-time, and then sort of putting it on our YouTube channel so that more students can learn from your experience. You would have come with certain expectations, certain new information you would have found when you came. So that's what we are trying to just, cover up. Would you want to share your experience?
Yeah, we can share one by one.
Yeah, very brilliant.
Everybody can share.
So why don't you just introduce yourself? You can hold this mic close to you. If you'll just share your name, where you are from in India.
My name is Abhirana. I'm from Chandigarh.
From Chandigarh, very good. And what were you doing in India?
I completed my bachelor's in medical lab technician.
Medical lab technician.
Yeah.
And then
Now I'm
you
pursuing masters in healthcare leadership.
in healthcare leadership. And why did you decide to come to UK?
Well, for a good growth.
Yeah.
But there is a very difference in the dreams and in the reality.
क्या
They-
प्रॉमिस किया गया था आपको और कैसा लगा नया यहाँ पर क्या डिफरेंट लगा?
Like they are very challenging in finding part-time job and the study also.
What is the challenge in study?
Like very different accents. Sometimes the different teachers come.
So teachers keep changing here?
Yeah. In first semester we have the same teachers, but in this semester every time we have a different teacher.
Every class there's a different teacher?
Yeah. Also.
Is it because the teachers keep changing or is it that you, like they are supposed to change?
It's just because of topic.
That there's a different topics or a
Yeah.
different teacher is
Everybody
coming?
cover different topics.
Everybody's covering different topics.
Yeah. Also very difficult in finding part-time job, but the full-timers, there are a lot of jobs for the full-timers.
In healthcare leadership especially,
In
people say
leaders.
that healthcare में बहुत jobs हैं, lot of opportunities.
There are so many jobs, but you have to connect with people, with the right people. There are so many people give you the wrong information, and if you connect with the right people, right teacher, they will give you the name of company agencies where you can find the part-time job as well as full-time job, which boost your career in healthcare literacy, which also help you to get your costs.
Just introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Vivek. I am from Ayodhya, the state in UP, and everybody knows it's the famous Ram Mandir.
Yeah.
I belong there.
And what were you doing there back in India?
I completed my graduation in medical lab technologist, and I work as a lab technician in one of the most top hospital named AIMS.
Oh, very good. And then you also you have come here for...
Yeah, I came UK with so many expectations. My expectation is go down. I work and I study every part of NHS. How will you get into the NHS? And I get so many information and I work on it. Hopefully, in future, I'll be in NHS.
And what kind of role are you looking for in
As a healthcare assistant, senior assistant, and in management, also as a leader to manage home care and also a social care worker.
social care worker? And how about you?
Hi, my name is Manan. I come from India, Gujarat.
From Gujarat?
Yeah, we are different students in our BPP University.
Yeah.
Basically, I completed my bachelor's in nursing
And what made you choose BPP?
because there are lots of reasons why I choose this university because the fees are very reasonable compared to other universities and the education is also very nice and there is no stress burst compared to other universities like they have 5 days, 6 days college. We have just 2 or 3 days university.
Yeah.
So it's very nice of this university and moreover, it's nice UK.
So you chose UK because you wanted to build your career here.
Yeah.
And right now that you are studying, are you guys able to find part-time job?
It's too much difficult to find a job in United Kingdom. If you have a good skills, a knowledge and a reference, you can find a very easy to a job. But if you don't have any skill, so
But
it's
main
difficult.
point is reference. If you don't have reference, then you don't
Without
get
it,
here.
It's difficult.
It's very difficult.
Very difficult. And so just also introduce yourself, say your name.
Yes. My name is Aryan Patel. I am also from Gujarat, from Narendra Modi's from Visnagar. I completed my bachelor in pharmacist in the Sakarchand Patel University, Visnagar.
Right.
Yeah, and I come here for my master for healthcare leadership.
So
From
lab
BPP.
technician, we have nursing, we have
Yeah,
education, and
all
we have
pharmacists.
as well.
Lots of pharmacists are here.
And we have a physiotherapist as well.
Yeah.
He'll be the next one to share his review. Come,
Yes,
don't be
yes.
shy, man.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me about you. So you were what is it that got you to UK?
I have so many expectations to come here because my family background is not too much higher, not rich,
Class.
middle class, yeah. And we are come here for so many expectations like earn money and try to own your business. And we are choose the healthcare leadership because my background is medical, like a
Right.
pharmacist. So I try to complete this as soon as possible, and then after I will try to join NHS. It's the National Health Service, so it's good for my careers.
So guys, all of you guys are helping me here, giving me all this information. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna help you connect with one guy, a very good friend of mine. He's working in a healthcare company. He just got his visa sponsorship as well. And he's very, very helpful. He's very much willing to mentor students who are willing to put an effort
Yeah.
on understanding how you can get various kinds of jobs in healthcare. We interviewed him yesterday and he explained in a very simple way, and I'll share that knowledge also with you. There are 3 kinds of organizations that are there. When we are thinking of healthcare, we only think of NHS.
Yeah.
But NHS is like a countrywide
Very-
organization,
yeah,
like a
yeah.
big organization.
Yeah,
And
it's
there are
very
2-3
huge.
organizations like this. But if you go to a council level, London itself has 30 plus councils. So at a council level, there are hundreds and thousands of jobs. And across UK, there are over 500 councils. So you will have a lot, when you're going at a council level, there you may not have immediately work sponsorship, visa sponsorship, but that's a great stepping stone. Also, there are third kind of organizations, which are organizations that are NGOs, kind of where you can find a lot of voluntary work, and that voluntary work can turn into full time, and full time can turn into visa sponsorship as well. There are very large voluntary organizations also. What I would suggest is any one of you can just give me your contact number. What I will do is I can kind of set up maybe like a webinar or a session. The guy is in London, so it's not, you can actually come and physically meet also. Unfortunately, it's my last day in London. Otherwise, I would have tried to, because you guys are giving me your feedbacks, I need to pay you back, and I can pay you back through my network. So that was something that I can do for you. But before we go and do that, why don't you also, just talk about, you've done physiotherapy, you are a different young blood. Okay. यार तुम लोग सब old हो गए ऐसा लग रहा है. ये पंजाब. ये चंडीगढ़ है. हरियाणा. Right, please.
My name is Sahil. I'm from Haryana and I complete my bachelor's from PGI Rohtak PGI.
PGI Rohtak, yeah, very good.
Bachelor's in physiotherapy and now I'm pursuing MSc Healthcare Leadership.
Healthcare leadership.
Yeah.
And why did you choose BPP University?
Agent ने भी बोला कुछ familiar थोड़ा बहुत.
So you had some people who had come here.
Yeah.
She is one of our teachers, the best one.
Sorry.
Little shy.
Yeah. But as you can see, students are very friendly with their faculty and, very open to kind of share their thoughts and communicate with them. That's also really great. So BPP University, you picked कि अच्छा यार यहाँ पर कुछ दोस्त भी गए हुए हैं.
ये आया हुआ था इसके साथ. इसके लिए आना पड़ा.
इसके लिए आना पड़ा. उसने बोला
ये मेरा पक्का दोस्त है.
उसने बोला खाना नहीं बन रहा है भाई आजा चल. हैं? तो where do you guys stay? Where do you guys live?
South Hall, Wembley.
Achha, you guys are
Yeah.
And what is the typical cost of living that you are able to?
350, around 350 to 400.
350 to 400 per month per person.
Without food.
Without food.
It's just a rent, including bills.
Rent with bills.
Yeah. Sharing. In sharing.
In sharing. Are you guys cooking yourself?
300 is
इधर
without
आके
food.
इसी काम ने.
300 to 350 is without food and including billing, and the traveling cost like 100 to 150 pounds.
100 to 100.
If
Trains
you
are
are
very
first try to
expensive.
do like sharing rooms and
Travel
sharing
expenses.
friends, then it's good for you and
32.
it's, decrease your amount like 250 to 300.
And party वगैरह रही है.
पार्टी
क्योंकि चंडीगढ़
का है ना तो
पार्टी चल जाती है, लग जाती है 4-5 दिहाड़ियाँ.
4-5 दिहाड़ियाँ लगा लेते हैं.
पार्टी हो जाती है सैटरडे.
हो जाती है
every
Saturday.
Saturday.
अभी हम मूवी देखने नहीं जाएंगे.
कौन सी मूवी देखने? जुरासिक पार्क. अरे यार मेरे को लगा कुछ अपनी इंडियन बॉलीवुड.
Indian movie कल देख
अब
ली.
लास्ट yesterday देख के आया हम हाउसफुल 5.
Every yesterday we enjoy.
Very good. And I think आप पीछे छुपे हुए हो, just so you would like to.
इसके पास स्पॉन्सरशिप है इधर की. गुजरात.
You are also from Gujarat, so just थोड़ा सा छोटा सा introduction दो, क्या कर रहे हैं? And कह रहे हैं सब कह रहे हैं कि you are the heroine of the university because you have visa sponsorship.
They are lying.
They are
हमारे
like
ग्रुप की
They are
दुलारी
lying.
है ये. क्या दिया दुलारी है ये हमारे
They
ग्रुप.
are lying. So my name is Diksha Patel. I am from Gujarat. I had done my bachelor's in biotechnology from BP University.
okay, you are from so that's also a different background from all what we had already covered.
Yeah, that's all.
You have looked the diverse.
बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज घूमा हूँ. अभी हम लोग कल पोर्ट्समाउथ जा रहे हैं, फिर बर्मिंघम जा रहे हैं, फिर लेस्टर एंड देन एडिनबरा. तो आई थिंक देयर आर सर्टेन यूनिवर्सिटीज वेयर आई फाइंड स्टूडेंट्स हैव बेटर एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड देयर आर सर्टेन यूनिवर्सिटीज आई फाउंड वेयर students are better aware. So this student I know, I was telling you about, he's from Birmingham City University, but he did a lot of his research on his own. Important how you guys are building your network. Certain universities I find they enable building networks much more. I'm not sure about BPP. It's my first time actually. So my suggestion would be think beyond. If you would like to connect, just share with one of you can share your details with me, and then I'll make the connections.
Yeah.
Yes, the
Yeah, we
Chandigarh
can
guy.
share our details.
2-3 of you.
Yes.
And then you can add even more students of your class.
Yes, yes, sure.
Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Have a great
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming our.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks, buddy. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks, guys. This is
Thank you so
us here at the BPP University Shepherd's Bush campus, and we met students from the MSc Health Leadership, and I think we had a great time. They are real fun people. They are enjoying, and also they have a very positive feedback to give about the program. They are finding it difficult to get part-time jobs, but they are trying, and they are saying that wait for 3-4 months and then you will get it. So most of them are working part-time now, but they came about 7 months ago. And I think in this whole journey, it's very important to understand how we can support each other and how we can help each other get through that full-time sponsored job. So I hope we are able to cover this university well, and look forward to talking to you more in our next video. Till then, subscribe to our channel and share this video with all your friends who are coming to the UK. BPP में there are 14,000 Indian students who came. Too many Indians. Is that
It's all about the perspective.
Video title. भाई ने बोला करने का. तो करने हैं.
These guys are fun and not taking life too seriously. I think that's important because समझने में,
Most
settle होने में.
important thing you need is a communication skills.
और
If
इसके
you
पास
want
तो
to
पहले
come
से
here,
family
you need good communication
इसके पास
skills.
already
इसके पास already
sponsorship भी है.
sponsorship
She
भी है.
has. She has.
अब तो
You
Actually,
can
she-
say that.
Actually, she has.